My newest bone conductor earbuds were in the water. I've actually never had a bone conductor earphones. Kind of weird. You can just feel the vibration of the sound. So that's pretty cool. Now I just really want to test it out and see if I can get wet in here while I'm listening to music. So let's do that. That's crazy. And did I actually get there underwater? I could take a phone call, but they couldn't hear me. That is crazy. First experience with them. I love them. I'm going to be using these all the time. That is so cool. You can actually hear crystal clear water for the first time ever in my life. I feel like I'm Aquaman. I can hear what the fish is saying, but I see it, but I can't speak. But you never experience this, and you gotta experience it for sure.
That was honestly the coolest experience that I ever had. I went and played around with these a lot more. I decided to bring them back to go over everything that I experienced. First of all, when you come and power it right out of the box, it enables it into Bluetooth mode. So you have Bluetooth mode right out of the gate, which connects to your phone seamlessly, easy, not a problem. But then if you actually press the power button, it switches. So you got your power right here, you got your volume up and volume down. So if you press the power button, it switches from Bluetooth mode to MP3 mode or media player mode. And these ones, you have about 32 gigs of storage. So you can imagine that if you're swimming, you're gonna be away from your phone. And so your Bluetooth connectivity is only gonna be as strong as how close you are to your phone. So when you stick the MP3 and you download a playlist and a bunch of songs on here, you can just use this without your phone being next by. You can keep your phone in the locker if you're at the pool or whatever, and you take these and you are good to go. Honestly, if you've never used these underwater, it is a trip. And I actually love that on this because if there was a USB-C slot, it would be an open port to the internal components. And you don't want that, right? And so it's kind of a magnetic charging right here. You do need to have that charger always handy and close by. Now, they will last quite a while. I'm not really sure on how long they last, but they lasted long enough for me to play around with them, and we had a lot of fun yesterday at the beach. They just kind of slide over your ear like so right here, and they work perfectly outside of the water too. So if you go to the gym or you're on the treadmill or you run a lot, these are going to be great for that too as well. They do have an IPX8 rating, right? You're not going to take these diving, but obviously that works fine underwater. So that's pretty crazy. You can also have an AI assistant on here. If you don't want to touch it, you can just long press the power button and then you can speak to it, turn the volume up, turn it down, next song, all that kind of stuff. So that's pretty cool too. Although I don't know how you would talk to it if you're underwater. Again, this is one of those technology pieces that simply just amazed me. I never have used it in my life. Just thought it was kind of interesting until I actually tried it. I don't really know if I can explain how cool it is unless you actually try it yourself.